I will explain the 3D. So our lab, we are fabricating 3D microstructures. Okay?
Yes.
So if you go to market, there are lots of 3D printers available.
Yeah.
But all of those are based on servo motors and conventional mechanisms. So if you see their resolution, it is around 200 microns or like 100 microns. So you won't get below that. So here we want resolution in 10 microns or like that. So we are using these mechanisms. These are called flexible mechanisms or compliant mechanisms. So in conventional mechanisms, whatever motion we are obtaining, like whatever motion we are getting, that is due to joints, rotary joints or sliding joints. Basically there will be contact. It will cause friction, wear, and there will be backlash. Right? So ultimately you won't be able to get highly precise motion. If you want highly precise and accurate motion, you have to go for these flexible mechanisms. In flexible mechanisms, whatever motion is obtained, that is due to deformation of these flexible beams. We don't have any relative motion. Whatever motion is obtained, that is due to elastic deformation of beams. We are not going beyond elastic limit, right? Okay. So particularly this mechanism is for displacement amplification. You can see there are two structures, like this one is outer parallelogram, this one is inner parallelogram. So I am giving input motion at this end and I want larger displacement at the other end. So what I am doing, I am giving excitation at its natural frequency of this inner parallelogram. These two beams and this mass will have some natural frequency, right? So I am exciting at that frequency. So what will happen? This will be at its resonance and I will get amplified displacement. That's what you can see. So you can see the input displacement is very small, right? And the output displacement is very high. So why we are doing this? With this we can achieve faster speed of fabrication. So I can design the inner stage for a frequency with which I want to fabricate. Yeah, we can design. Yeah, we can change the mass and the beam parameters.